Hello, I am Dr. DeAndre. Today I will talk about 5 drinks that may help reduce cancer risk based on current scientific understanding and medical research. Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death globally, affecting millions of individuals every year. While genetics and environmental factors play a role, research consistently shows that lifestyle choices, including what you eat and drink, significantly influence long-term health outcomes. It is important to understand that there is no single food or drink that can completely prevent cancer. However, certain natural beverages contain biologically active compounds that support your body's internal defense systems. These compounds work at the cellular level to reduce oxidative stress, regulate inflammation, and support immune function. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals damage your cells and DNA. Over time, this damage can contribute to the development of chronic diseases, including cancer. Similarly, chronic inflammation creates an environment that allows abnormal cells to grow and multiply. The drinks I will discuss today are rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients that help counter these processes. They are not miracle cures, but when combined with a healthy lifestyle, they may contribute to lowering long-term cancer risk. In this video, I will explain how each drink works inside your body, what the scientific evidence suggests, and how you can include them safely in your daily routine. Green tea is one of the most extensively studied beverages in relation to cancer prevention. It contains a class of antioxidants known as catechins, with epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, being the most active compound. These antioxidants play a critical role in protecting cells from oxidative damage. Free radicals, which are produced during normal metabolism and through environmental exposure, can damage cellular DNA. This damage may lead to mutations that contribute to cancer development. EGCG helps neutralize free radicals and has been shown in laboratory studies to influence several biological processes, including cell growth, apoptosis, and angiogenesis. Apoptosis is the body's natural way of eliminating damaged cells, while angiogenesis refers to the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow. Epidemiological studies suggest that populations with higher green tea consumption may have a lower incidence of certain cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. However, results can vary depending on lifestyle and genetic factors. For practical use, consuming 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily is generally considered beneficial. It is important to avoid excessive intake, as very high doses of concentrated extracts may cause side effects, particularly related to liver function. Green tea is most effective when used as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle rather than as a standalone solution. Turmeric milk, commonly referred to as golden milk, contains curcumin, a natural compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is recognized as a key factor in the development of many chronic diseases, including cancer. Inflammatory processes can promote cellular damage and create conditions that allow abnormal cells to survive and multiply. Curcumin works by inhibiting specific inflammatory pathways in the body. It also interacts with molecular targets involved in cell growth, cell survival, and programmed cell death. This makes it an area of interest in cancer research. Laboratory and animal studies suggest that curcumin may help slow the progression of certain types of cancer cells. However, it is important to note that human studies are still ongoing, and curcumin should not be considered a treatment. One limitation of curcumin is its low bioavailability, meaning the body does not absorb it efficiently. This can be improved by combining turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that enhances absorption significantly. A practical approach is to consume a small amount of turmeric mixed with warm milk once daily. This can be part of a balanced routine aimed at reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Fresh vegetable juices provide a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and plant-based compounds that support overall health and cellular function. Vegetables such as spinach, kale, carrots, and beets are rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and flavonoids. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. The liver plays a central role in detoxification by processing and eliminating harmful substances from the body. Nutrients found in vegetables support liver function and enhance its ability to neutralize toxins. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli and cabbage, contain compounds like sulforaphane, which have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects. These compounds may help activate detoxification enzymes and support cellular repair mechanisms. It is important to prepare vegetable juice fresh and avoid adding sugars or artificial ingredients. Store-bought juices often contain high levels of sugar and fewer beneficial nutrients due to processing. While juicing provides valuable nutrients, it should not completely replace whole vegetables, which contain fiber essential for digestive health. Including fresh vegetable juice as part of a balanced diet can support your body's natural defense systems. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenols, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative damage and may reduce inflammation. Oxidative stress and inflammation are both linked to the development of chronic diseases, including cancer. Research suggests that pomegranate compounds may influence cancer-related processes, such as cell proliferation and apoptosis. Some studies have shown potential benefits in slowing the progression of prostate cancer, although more clinical evidence is needed. In addition to its antioxidant effects, pomegranate juice supports cardiovascular health by improving blood vessel function and reducing oxidative stress in the circulatory system. When choosing pomegranate juice, it is essential to select pure, unsweetened products. Many commercial juices contain added sugars, which can negatively impact health. Moderation is important. A small serving per day can provide benefits without excessive sugar intake. Pomegranate juice can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet focused on long-term health. Water is the most essential and often overlooked component of a healthy lifestyle. It plays a fundamental role in maintaining cellular function and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Every cell in your body depends on water to function properly. It helps transport nutrients, regulate body temperature, and remove waste products. The kidneys and liver are responsible for filtering toxins from the body. Adequate hydration ensures these organs can perform their functions efficiently. Chronic dehydration can impair these processes, potentially leading to the accumulation of harmful substances. Over time, this may contribute to cellular stress and inflammation. Water also supports the lymphatic system, which plays a role in immune function and the removal of cellular waste. Daily fluid needs vary depending on factors such as age, activity level, and climate. However, maintaining consistent hydration throughout the day is essential. Simple habits, such as drinking water regularly and limiting sugary beverages, can significantly improve overall health. In summary, certain drinks may support your body's natural defenses and contribute to reducing cancer risk when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Green tea provides powerful antioxidants. Turmeric milk offers anti-inflammatory benefits. Vegetable juices supply essential nutrients. Pomegranate juice supports cellular protection, and water ensures proper bodily function. It is important to remember that these drinks are not cures. They are supportive tools that work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and routine medical care. Avoid relying on any single solution. Long-term health is achieved through consistent, evidence-based habits. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing this video and subscribing for more medically accurate content. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing medical conditions. Healthy choices, practiced daily, can make a meaningful difference over time.